dito mga kapatid ni Marilo. Tingnan niyo. Ito yung mga waray. Wala upay. Anong ibig sabihin sa wala upay? Oh, yan. Video yan. Ito. Happy birthday to you. Ang saya-saya namin. Naligo mo, gang? Naligo mo sa dagat? Uy.
Aahon ko nga lang.
Kantas ko po.
This song is dedicated to my beautiful wife.
Wow! Beautiful wife talaga!
Very happy birthday, Mahal. I know what it means to belong in the dark. I know what it means
Galing pala kapatid ko ah.
to be told in the storm. I have walked alone
Wala! Wala eh!
with a heart of stone and this painful to heavy for the truth.
Op man!
What you call ang totoo
Another pa! Ano yun? Isang op na yung video. Pagin yung video kinyo. Ayan na. Sayang, sayang. Sayang kayo, sayang. Pangit yung video. Bakit ganon? Putol-putol kasi nakakainis. Saya.
And this prayer too heavy for the truth. But you called my heart
Ganon, patay-patay.
and you told my heart to forgive. But that I know the joy
Pangit yung ke?
of your life. My head is high, I can feel the sky. I know that in heaven it's below.
Wala na.
I know